Want to see your Reels watch history on Instagram? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can view that. First of all, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, in order to view it, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now, scroll down and tap on your activity. Scroll down, and here you should find the option of watch history. If you find that option, tap on that, and then from here you can easily view all the reels that you have watched in a month. If you do not find this option, then you want to update your app and check. If you still don't find it, then in order to view your watched reels, you can head over to the interaction section and tap on likes. Here you should find all the reels that you have liked. If not, then you can tap on the comments option, and here you can view all the reels that you have commented on. Tap on repost to view the reels that you have reposted. And in this way, you can check out your watch history on Instagram. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.